Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making ackee and saltfish. Can you make ackee and saltfish? Well, you will learn today. So I'm just going to wash off the excess salt from my saltfish, and then I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes, throw off the water and boil it again. I got this saltfish from Jamaica that my cousin brought for me, and I know you can get saltfish in America, but in Texas it's not really available to me that much. So here I'm cutting up my seasoning. You need scallion, sweet pepper, onions, and some pepper and thyme. Some people use tomato. I don't, but you can if you choose to. After I'm done doing that, I'm just going to clean my saltfish. So you need to scrape away all that skin from the saltfish and remove all the bones. And when you're done doing that, you're just going to use your hand and just pick the saltfish. Just pick it apart into smaller pieces. Ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. We really love it. Well, majority of us, you'll rarely come across Jamaicans that don't eat ackee and saltfish. So as you see here, I'm just picking apart the saltfish. It's very soft, and you just use your finger and just pick it apart in the size that you want it to be. It can be smaller than what you see I'm doing, but I like to do it this size so it can be visible in the meal. When that's all done, I'm just going to put some oil in my pot and some garlic, and then I am going to add my seasoning. And we're going to fry that up for about a few minutes, and just I'm going to cover the pot shortly to allow that to just steam a little bit, not for long, maybe 2 minutes. When it's steamed and all the flavors are blended, I'm going to add my saltfish, and then I'm going to add some black pepper. In ackee and saltfish, we don't really use a lot of seasoning. Well, I don't really use a lot of seasoning. Some people may or may not. I'm just adding black pepper, that's all. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It is free. Leave me a like and leave me a comment. Do you like ackee and saltfish? Do you know? Then allowing that to steam for a little bit, and then I'm going to add my ackee. Once I add my ackee, I'm just going to gently mix everything together. Gently mix everything together until everything is combined, and then I will add my cover to allow everything to steam and simmer down. This is not the ackee is already boiled and frozen, so that's where you're seeing that I'm not doing that in this video. If you want me to boil the ackee to show you, then I can do that in a separate video, but usually I get my ackee from Jamaica and it's already boiled and frozen, so I allow it to thaw out overnight, and then I'm going to add that, cover my pot, and allow it to blend and simmer together. Once that is done, you allow it to simmer maybe a few minutes on low heat, and then that's basically it. You can serve ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling. You can serve it with breadfruit. You can eat it with bread. You can eat it with almost anything you want. And we're all done. Now my husband is coming for his breakfast. Bye, see you next time.